Don't you dance? Yeah. Oh, you dancing? Are you dancing? You dancing? Cut like that sun. Show Nova, you stand up. 40 have fun song. Look how you stand. Woo! Is that enough, Noah? You had enough. Okay, bye-bye.
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 Bye-bye. Oh, she put my
He's in his favorite position.
Look at you.
Look at here, Noah. Hey, buddy.
You're doing good, sweetie. You're doing good. Eat the carpet. You're doing good, sweetie. Yeah. You're doing good. Gotta push up with your arms. Push up with your arms. Here's Daddy. You're doing good, sweetie. Push up with your arms. You're getting red. You're doing good. Oh, enough of that.
Oh,
Not enough of that.
that's enough. Noah is sucking on Pooh's face. He thinks it's pretty good. Oh, now he's on his foot. That tastes pretty good, Noah? Oh, where'd he go? You get Pooh back in there? Where is it? You get Pooh back in there and chew on Pooh? I will chew on anything. What you got, Noah? He's got all sorts of toys sitting here. Oh, now he's got Eeyore in there. So big. So big. Ooh. Ooh. This is Noah playing Saturday night, April 4th, and he is kind of starting to roll over a little. He's getting to his side, but I don't know how much farther he'll go, because he hates laying on his tum-tum. These are some new little booties. This was a gift, and they match the little top. And we put no pants on him because it's kind of cold in the house here, so. Cute little top, little soccer player. There he is. Smile, Noah. Oh, he's chewing on his hand.